This is base coat, so it's going to be 50-50. So 50% thinners, 50% base coat colour. But how much you want in. For me, I'm going to probably do something about 120ml of paint, and then obviously 110ml of thinners. No, 50-50, that's not right. You get me, 200. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Look at that drip. This is overkill. I have got too much paint. But what I don't like doing is knocking another mix up. I just don't like doing it. I'd rather have too much paint and put it in the tub and get rid of it. For what it's worth, it ain't even worth cutting corners. Depending on how the black covers, depends on how many coats I'm going to do. Because we want it nice, deep, glossy, metallic, black. And I've got to try and find something to put you. We're done. Base coat is down. No runs that I can see. The paint looks flat because we're going to put clear coat on it now. And that's where, hopefully, all the colour pops through. Ooh! Fire. I mean, why can't we just play tunes, man? I don't want to get copyrighted all the time. But we're blazing tunes down here all day. Gun is fully cleaned out. Got my next pot ready for the clear coat. And for the clear coat, we got clear coat. We got some activator. We got loads and loads of activator. Oh Jesus. Let me sort out all of that, and I'll see you in a minute. You're not really going to see the metallic, but you can see it in person. Now I'm going to mix up the clear coat, and the clear coat mix is 2-part clear coat, 1 part activator, and then 10% thinners. Or you mix as you see fit for your gun type. Every gun's slightly different depending on your nozzle. Anyway, enough maths. Let's get into the magic. Here's my 2-to-1 ratio. Can't see me needing more than that. This is a 2-handed job, sorry boys. There's your clear coat. There's your 2-to-1 so far. So I put in, better way to do it for this was I put in 60 millilitres of clear coat and then 30 millilitres of activator. And now I'm going to chuck in 10% thinners here. But because it's a little bit cold today, I'm going to watch what I'm doing with the thinners because I don't want it running everywhere. You get me? It's all mixed. Heating's on. Should be ready to paint. But probably got a little bit more clear than I need. But you know the drill. Just throw it away. Woo! Starting to dry nicely. It's a little bit colder at the moment. You can never really get it on camera. But it's painted. It's done. He'll be picking up tomorrow. I've just spoke to Bulldog Car Spares and I need to get 2 outer CV boots and 2 front anti-roll bar drop links because one of mine's missing, which you've known if you've been following the video, and because now the car's fast as you like, the CV boots exploded, so now I'm going to have to replace both outer drive shaft CV boots, but we'll do them tomorrow because they've got to order the drop links in for me, and we'll just smash it all out at once. How about that? That's enough of that. Oh, what a mission. The place is tidy now. Looking a little bit better. It's getting cold. It's getting dark. But I'm done. They're painted. He's going to come and pick them up on Friday. And he wants me to now paint another grille, another spoiler. But I've said we'll have a look at them first. Because I don't like doing stuff without looking at them. So I don't want to be doing too much repairing, too much time, too much effort. We want to be doing stuff we want to be doing, don't we? Yeah, that's right. Parts are in for the Civic tomorrow, mid-morning. We'll go to Bulldog Car Spares and get them picked up. And then we'll be able to crack on with them tomorrow. But I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to take the Civic out for a run. Have a look at that oil feed. Make sure it's doing what it should be doing. But other than that, I think we're done for today, boys. But thank you for tuning in again. Don't forget to like, comment if you want to waffle, and share with your pals, because we need to grow this channel. Everyone says they love it, but we ain't getting much bigger, am we? Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.